The second thing in this lesson that we talked about was solve by multiplying or dividing. So just like adding and subtracting, all we're going to do is get the variable by itself by moving things away from it, doing the opposite. So let's take a look at number 11. Again, we can draw our brick wall down the middle. So we have a j on the left side, and we need to move the 8 away from it because we're trying to always get that variable by itself. So we're going to move the 8 to the other side. Now look at the 8. The 8 is multiplying times the j because they're side by side. When two things are side by side in algebra, it's multiplying. So that's 8 times j. So we're going to move it by dividing. And again, we're going to do it to both sides. And when you divide on the left side, those two 8's cross out, and you're left with just j. And on the other side, you say 96 divided by 8, which is 12. Now, one mistake I've seen in class a lot is students dividing opposite. So, for instance, you're supposed to say 96 divided by 8, but I've seen a lot of kids that will get this backwards and do 8 divided by 96, which is not correct. So remember, whatever number you're moving, whatever one is doing the moving, always goes second. So 96 divided by 8, the 8 goes second, not first. All right, let's look at 13. 13 again, we can draw a line down the equal sign like a brick wall. And we have y divided by 9 equals negative 8. So that 9 needs to move because we're trying to get the y by itself. The 9 is dividing, so we're going to move it to the other side by multiplying. Again, we're going to do it to both sides. Those 9's cross out. And the y is left over, and we have 9 times negative 8, which is negative 72. So my answer is negative 72. So that's how you solve by multiplying or dividing. Last up is word problems.